In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track billable hours in QuickBooks Online. To get started, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online company. From the Get Things Done screen, move your cursor over the Create option to open the full list of actions. This is where you'll find tools for entering sales, expenses, and what we need today, time entries. Choose Single Time Activity. This opens a clean form designed for logging one block of time at a time, which is perfect for ad hoc tasks or when you want precise control over the details of a single service. Begin by selecting the name. Pick the team member who did the work or choose yourself if you're logging your own time. This ensures the time is tracked to the correct person for reporting and payroll if applicable. Next, select the customer. Choose the client or project that should be billed for this work. Getting this right is essential for job costing and for pulling the time onto the correct invoice later. Select the service. This is the service item that describes what was done, like consulting, design, or support. The service item often drives the rate and the income account behind the scenes, so picking the right one keeps both billing and accounting accurate. Now, click Billable. Turning this on tells QuickBooks that the time is meant to be charged to the customer. If you leave it off, the time will still record for internal tracking, but it won't be available to add to an invoice. Enter the value. Depending on your setup, this could be the number of hours, the rate, or both. You can type time as decimals or as hours in minutes. Take a second to confirm that the amount lines up with your pricing and the selected service. If you see a field for business, choose the appropriate business, location, or department. This helps keep your reports clean and makes it easier to analyze profitability by segment. Select the start date, pick the day, and, if shown, the start time that matches when the work happened. Accurate dates matter when you reconcile time across weeks or months. Enter a note. Add a brief, clear description of the work performed. Think about what your client will want to see on their invoice, the task, the scope, any reference number, and key outcomes. When everything looks good, click Save. Your billable time is now stored and ready to be pulled onto the customer's next invoice, and it will appear in your time and project reports for full visibility. That's it. Your billable hours are tracked accurately and ready to bill.